You remember the time that you texted me, di ba? Eventually, you call me. Cassandra, in the spirit of transparency, Cassandra, I will tell the body, that you texted me and you called me. Para at least malaman nila kung saan tayo magsisimula. But the reason why you called me is to ask for help kung ano yung dapat mong gawin. Am I right? You can answer.
Yes po.
Yes, and during our conversation, sinabi mo kung ano yung dapat mong gawin. Is this correct, Cassandra?
Yes po.
Alright. And sa text mo sa akin, and I know that this came from your heart, Sinabi mo dito sa text mo na, Hi,